momentum is the product of the mass times the velocity of an object. For example, let's say we have a heavy pig. This heavy pig is moving fast and has a large momentum. It takes a large and prolonged force to get this pig up to speed. But it takes a large and prolonged force to bring it to a complete stop afterwards. If the pig were somehow lighter or moving more slowly, then it would have less momentum. The formula for momentum is P equals mv. Momentum has a direction and a magnitude. Quantities that have a direction and a magnitude are known as vector quantities. Because momentum has a direction, it can be used to predict the resulting direction of objects after they collide, as well as their speeds. The momentum of a single particle is represented by the letter P. It is the product of two quantities. It is represented by m, which stands for mass, and represented by the letter v, which stands for velocity. The momentum of a system of particles is the sum of their momentum. If two particles have masses m1 and m2, and velocities v1 and v2, then their momentum would be p equals p1 plus p2 equals m1 v1 plus m2 v2. The units of momentum is a product of the units of mass and velocity. In SI units, if the mass is in kilograms and the velocity is in meters per second, then the momentum is kilograms meters per second. Being a vector, momentum has direction and magnitude. For example, let's say a model car of 1 kilogram traveling due north of 1 meter per second in straight and level flight has a momentum of 1 kilogram meters per second measured straight from the ground. Formula for momentum is the formula for momentum is P equals mv. The momentum of a single particle is traditionally represented by the letter P. It is the product of two quantities that are represented again. The momentum of a single particle is represented by two quantities. The momentum of a single particle is traditionally represented by letter P. It's a product of two quantities. The mass represented.
I didn't say go! No? Yeah.